Our struggle for independence was long and marked with many battles and sacrifices. On this Independence Day, let's ask our Narayanites what they think about our tough past, evolving present, and our promising future.
Because of the tough financial conditions, Indians were not able to prioritize education and healthcare.
In British India, the education for an ordinary student was very poor compared to privilege received.
We have right to education, which means all the kids aged 6 to 14 years get free and compulsory education, which plays a huge part in our progress.
India has also established top institutions like IITs, IIMs and AIIMS.
Today, Indians are heading most prestigious positions in global organizations like Google, Microsoft, and Adobe.
I think by 2047, India will become a developed country.
Technology will play a crucial role in schools and colleges.
As technology advances, education will also evolve and become more hybrid.
Today, as we honor our freedom fighters and celebrate how far we have come, let's just remember that education will help us build even more brighter future.